Hi there, I'm Marina from AppJobs.com, and in this channel we talk about all the ways you can make money using your phone. And another way you can do that is working with Hellotech, one of our job offers. So by the end of this video you will know everything about this app job and most importantly how to apply for it through our website. So make sure to watch all the way to the end. But before jumping into it, make sure to subscribe to this channel and click on the bell next to it too so you activate the notifications and you always know when we have a new video up. Now let's go for it. Earn money while being a helpful friend. Hellotech connects people with tech knowledge with people that don't have that. You know everything about computers and accessories and you're looking for a job without any compromises? Join Hellotech and you can be in charge of everything. By signing up with Hellotech, you can earn money providing IT services to people, either online or visiting their homes. It depends on the job, on your preferences and your client. And if you're good in computers, you probably already helped many people before, but this time you're actually gonna get paid for it. Not all day long though. Yes, you're gonna be the one responsible for your schedule and you can pick the times you actually want to be working. You will also get paid twice a week. That way you don't need to plan your expenses in a month in advance, right? To begin is super easy. All you have to do is sign up on their website, go through a quick phone screen session with someone from the onboarding team, and of course you're gonna be having to show your qualifications and pass through a background check. Once you're on board, you can customize your profile and start looking for gigs. Now if you are interested in Hellotech, I'll tell you everything about it, but remember to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, if you reached all the way here. Now I'm gonna tell you everything about the requirements. And the basic one is that you need to have enough knowledge on the subject, of course. So you're gonna have to need your qualifications and your work experience, and as we said before, pass the background check. And that's pretty much it. If you get through that, you're good to go and start making money. Now if you are interested in this app job, all you have to do is go to appjobs.com or click in the first link in our description box to go straight to our website. Once you're there, you can sign in or join now, select your working city, and then click on the category freelance to see if Hellotech is an option for you. If it is, all you have to do is click on this button. And that's pretty much it for this video. Make sure to give a comment below telling me what you're good at, and I'll see you next time, right? Bye!